Hi everyone, my name is Liam, and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. So, whether you're a beginner, an intermediate, or an advanced student in English, this channel has something for you. Here you will learn English grammar quickly, easily, and in under 10 minutes. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, welcome to the lesson today. Today's lesson is about articles, a and an, and this is a beginner lesson. So if you are an intermediate student, you can use this for review, but if you are an advanced student, it is probably going to be a little bit too easy for you. Have a look at some of my other videos for advanced students. Okay, beginner articles, a and an. A and an are called indefinite articles in English. And indefinite means not definite or not specific. So we use the indefinite article in a general way for general nouns, not specific nouns. Let's look at a couple quick examples. A cup, a dog, a banana, a tree. My first question for you, are the nouns singular or plural? Singular means one, plural means more than one. What do you think? If you answered singular, you are correct. We use indefinite articles for singular nouns. My second question for you, what do these nouns have in common? That means, how are they similar? They begin with a consonant sound. Okay, what are consonant sounds? Consonant sounds are sounds that begin with consonants. C, cup. D, dog. B, banana. T, tree. These are consonants. A cup, a dog, a banana, a tree. Let's look at a few more examples. An apple, an umbrella, an elephant, an oven. Okay, now we are using the indefinite article an, not a. Why? I'll give you a hint. Look at the first letter of the noun. So what do these nouns have in common? Again, how are they similar? They begin with a vowel sound. All right, well, what are vowel sounds? Vowel sounds are sounds that begin with a vowel. A, apple. U, umbrella. E, elephant. O, oven. An apple, an umbrella, an elephant, an oven. Okay, let's quickly look at the consonants and vowels in English. Think of the alphabet. 26 letters. Here you can see the consonants are in purple and the vowels are in yellow. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, sometimes Y. Y is a little bit strange because Y can also be a consonant. It depends on the sound. We're not going to talk about that in this video, but there are other videos on my channel that will discuss this. The consonants in English are all of the other letters: B, C, D, etc. So let's go back to the previous examples. An apple, an umbrella, an elephant, an oven. My question for you, are these nouns singular or plural? Again, singular means one, and plural means more than one. So 2, 3. What do you think? They are singular. Okay, let's do a quick review of what we have learned so far. We use a before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. Can you remember any examples? How about a dog, a cat, a car, a train, a pen, a phone, a desk, a chair? These are consonant sounds, so we use the article a. We use an before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. Can you remember any examples? How about an apple, an elephant, an egg, an iPhone? Okay, what about plural nouns? How do we make plural nouns in English? Well, we don't use articles. For most plural nouns in English, we write S at the end of the noun. Cups, dogs, bananas, trees. This is the most common rule for making plurals. Apples, umbrellas, elephants, ovens. Most nouns in English get an S on the end. The second way we make plurals in English is we add a number before the noun, and then we add S at the end of the noun. 2 cups, 3 dogs, 4 bananas, 5 trees, 6 apples, 7 umbrellas, 8 elephants, 9 ovens. It's a little bit strange to have 9 ovens. That's a lot of ovens, but maybe you work in a big restaurant that cooks a lot of pies. I don't know. All right, let's look at the third way we make plural nouns in English: spelling. Some spelling rules. Let's talk about nouns ending in Y. Can you think of any nouns in English that end in Y? Here are 4: family, company, country, library. Notice the consonant to the left of the Y. L, N, R, and R. These nouns end in consonant plus Y. So for these types of nouns, we delete the Y and we write IES. Family, families. Company, companies. Country, countries. Library, libraries. And again, these are for nouns ending in consonant plus Y. Okay, let's look at another spelling rule. These are for nouns ending in CH, SH, S, or X. Can you think of any nouns that end in CH, SH, S, or X? For these, we write ES at the end. Sandwich, sandwiches. Wish, wishes. Class, classes. Box, boxes. All right, guys, that's the end of the lesson. Quiz time. If you want to do the quiz, write your answer in the comments section below. I will post a comment and pin it to the top so you can check your answers there. There are 5 questions, and I want you to choose A or B. Very basic. Number 1, an box, a box. Number 2, a apple, an apple. Number 3, 2 elephants, 2 elephants. My pronunciation is the same, but the spelling is different. So the spelling is the important thing here. Number 4, families, families. Same thing. Focus on the spelling, not my pronunciation. And number 5, 6 sandwiches, 6 sandwiches. Again, the spelling is the important thing here. Okay, that's it. Thank you for coming to Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple, hopefully. Write your answers in the comments. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future English grammar content. Once again, my name is Liam, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.